This video tutorial I will explain hashCode method of arrays class which accept int array. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the int array. Then I am calling hashCode method of arrays class and passing int array. This method returns hashCode value of this int array. Here you can see hashCode method accept boolean array, byte array, character array, double array, etc. Using hashCode method, we can get hashCode value of specified array. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.